In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner for onboarding. This guide will help you streamline the onboarding process for new hires, ensuring that everything runs smoothly from start to finish. To begin, the first step you'll want to take is to log into your Microsoft 365 account. This will give you access to all the apps within your Office suite, including Microsoft Planner. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to the Planner app. It's usually represented by a green icon featuring a check mark, so it should be easy to spot. Now that you're in Planner, it's time to create a new plan dedicated to onboarding. You'll find the option to create a new plan by clicking on the plus new plan button. This is your organizational hub for tasks related to bringing a new hire up to speed, so make sure to give your plan a clear and concise name. Something like new hire onboarding, new hire name works well, as it keeps everything organized and instantly recognizable. Within your new plan, you'll want to create categories known as buckets. These help you logically organize tasks within different aspects of the onboarding process. For instance, you might have buckets for initial paperwork, training sessions, team introductions, and more. This is where you'll really start tailoring the plan to suit your company's unique onboarding process. Next comes adding tasks within each of these buckets. Each task should represent a specific step in the onboarding process. When creating tasks, specify details such as the task name, the due date, and assign it to the appropriate person responsible for completing it. This could be a hiring manager, an HR representative, or even a buddy assigned to the new hire. Adding these details helps ensure accountability and keeps everyone informed on what needs to be done. Adding additional details like notes, checklists, and necessary attachments can also provide much needed context and clarity to each task. This is particularly useful for tasks that require a bit more explanation or when specific documents need to be completed at each step. Once tasks are set up, it's important to keep track of progress. Within Microsoft Planner, you can easily update the status of each task to reflect its current stage, not started, in progress, or completed. This visual tracker allows everyone involved to see at a glance the progress being made in the onboarding journey. Lastly, one of the handy features of Planner is its ability to send out notifications automatically. As tasks get assigned or updated, those responsible will receive alerts, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to using Microsoft Planner to manage onboarding effectively, creating a more structured and transparent process for your organization. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your onboarding.